Applying for aid can be a confusing process. We're here to help you understand how to navigate the process. Before we jump in, please note we can always update these forms after they are submitted. If there are any typos or other errors, our staff will make the necessary adjustments, so don't worry, we've got your back. Your deadline for filing these documents is based on which admission round you choose to apply through. And the deadline for financial aid matches the deadline for your admission application and can be found on our website. To start the financial aid process, fill out the paperwork listed on the website, which includes FAFSA, CSS profile, and tax return submissions. First, get your documents ready before you complete the forms. Be sure to have a copy of the taxes and W-2 forms for the year being asked for both parents and students. And gather information about assets, including but not limited to bank statements, investment accounts, and value of real estate. The FAFSA, or Free Application for Federal Student Aid, is typically available online October 1st of each year. You will need to obtain an FSA ID for you and your parents at www.studentaid.gov. Once you have that, you can log in as a student and start your FAFSA. Most students will need parental information, such as parent social security numbers, to add to your application. Many people find it helpful to fill out the forms while sitting with their parents. After you submit the student section, your parents will be asked to complete their portion via an email to the address you provide. Tax information will transfer directly from the IRS, and they may be asked for asset information. Remember to read the help text to ensure your parents report the correct assets. For example, they don't have to report the home that you live in, but they do have to report any other real estate the family may own. If you're a student who can answer yes to the federal questions listed on the FAFSA dependency form, then the system should bypass the parent information for you. After the FAFSA, you will move on to the CSS profile located on the College Board website. If you took the SAT, you'll use that to log in. If not, you can set up an account on the website. Logging in as yourself, you'll complete this form with your family's tax information as well. The CSS profile will ask more questions than the FAFSA, as the tax information can't be directly transferred. So be sure to have the tax returns for the right year and information on all assets the family owns before you tackle the form. Once you submit the CSS profile, an email will be sent in 1 to 3 business days, letting you know that iDoc is available. This is the system used to submit your tax information to Davidson College in a secure way. You will upload the full tax return, all the schedules for your parents, their W-2 forms and 1099 forms, along with your tax returns and W-2 forms if you have them. If your parents own a business, that files its own tax return, so please upload that as well. The system will ask you to complete a verification worksheet electronically. On this verification form, include anyone for whom your parents will provide more than 50% of the total financial support in the coming year. These people may or may not live in your home 12 months a year, but if your parents are paying most of their bills and therefore claiming them on their tax returns, they should be counted as part of the household. Congratulations! You've now filed all 3 parts of the financial aid application. If we have any questions about what you submitted or need more information, we will contact you at the email address you used to apply to Davidson.